Hi, I'm Giles Robinson and I'm going to show you how to use the Colour Wow Mousse. Brunettes really struggle with the fact that their hair can pull red and brassy very quickly. I'm actually going to show you how you can use this blue tint to neutralise that. The first thing we're going to do is get her hair shampooed. Now it's really important when applying this foam, the more you want it to impact your colour correction, the drier your hair has to be. So with Dakota's hair, she's got a little bit of brassy tones going on, so we're just going to kind of take a little bit of the excess moisture out. We don't need to dry it too much. So you can see the colour. This has the perfect amount of blue tint, which is great for when you're kind of applying it into the hair because it's not too much and it's not going to be too messy either. You know, if you've ever used a blue shampoo before, you'll know what it's like. It gets all over your scalp, all over your bathroom, all over your towels. So this tone foam is not like a traditional mousse. It's alcohol free and it's not sticky, crunchy and flaky like traditional mousses. And you can notice I'm really kind of working it into the hair, which you can absolutely do with this, and because it's all really about the toning. So you can see how effortlessly my brush glides through the hair. This is not like a traditional mousse where it's sticky and crunchy, and obviously it's all about the toning, but you're gonna get this great elasticity and bounce in their hair. So now you see the finished result. Beautiful color, the hair has got its bounce and elasticity back. The Colour Wow toning foam really is a cleaner, healthier, friendlier way to tone your hair.